everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Daigaku Imo. I hope you enjoy my vlog and live streaming. I visited Asakusa and Sugamo the other day. In those two towns, I introduced these sweets. And many of my viewers are interested in these sweets, so I decided to film this video. Daigaku means university, and Imo means potato in general. So Daigaku Imo is a university potato. It sounds interesting. The story behind this dish is, it is said there's a student of Tokyo University. He was selling these sweets to earn his money for the study. It's very simple to make this Daigaku Imo. We use sweet potato and sugar, MIRIN, soy sauce, and black sesame for toppings. And I use kome abura, rice oil today. So that's the ingredients. Are you interested in this easy and simple sweets? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So at first, we peel the sweet potato. I don't usually peel, but maybe it's common to peel the sweet potato, so I do this today. And then we cut the stem. And today I want to try two types. The one with stick type, the other one is bite-sized pieces. Sweet potato is very hard when you cut, be careful. Okay, now we put this in a water. Okay, for the other one, let's cut into bite-sized pieces. Round and cut, round and cut, round and cut. If you cut like this, it will be cooked evenly. I showed this cutting in another videos, so I'm sure some of you know already. Cutting is done. It's very simple. In the meantime, let's prepare oil. Please choose light oil. Let's prepare the sauce. So it's really simple. Now we add 4 tablespoons sugar. Then 4 tablespoons mirin. Then 2 tablespoons soy sauce. That's it. Okay, 5 minutes passed. So let's turn on the heat. Let's prepare the oil. Strain the water. And oil and water is bad combination. So I recommend to prepare kitchen towel and take out the water as much as possible before frying. Here's a tip. You don't need to wait until it becomes 170 degrees. You see the bubbles on the bottom. So now let's put the potato in it. And we fry potato for 5 minutes. To make Daigaku Imo, we don't put potato starch or flour on the surface. And it's getting brown color. Okay, 5 minutes passed, so let's take it out. Today, Suicha is sleeping, so I introduce my dogs, Mario and Luigi. They are my small family, and they love sweet potato, so I have to be careful. They're watching me. Okay. Now we add these potatoes. Once the surface gets brown color, now it's time to take out. Looks nice color. So we made the stick type potato and bite-sized pieces potato. Let's caramelize. So now let's heat the sauce with medium-low heat. And we have to be careful not to burn the sauce. It smells good here. Now we have to prepare black sesame. Okay, now it starts to caramelize very quickly. Now the bubbles are getting bigger. It's time to add sweet potato. Let's put stick type first. Of course, you can use finger. And let's quickly stir. And I prepared 2 pink color plates today. I like this color, so let's take it out. Now we add the other one. This shape is easy to handle. Once the sauce covers sweet potato, it's time to take it out. Now we sprinkle sesame. Okay, sweet potato is done. So let's try tasting. Okay, let's try the stick type first. I eat big one. いただきます. Stick type, maybe it's easy to eat. Like this. Oh, it's well caramelized. いただきます. Oh, I can see the inside of the sweet potato is very yellow and dark yellow. So soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. It's all balanced. So yummy. You can imagine it's a sweet. Which type do you like? Stick one or bite-sized pieces one? I like maybe this one. It's more convenient or easy to eat. So please let me know which one do you like. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. So how was Daigaku Imo recipe video? You remember the tip? So tip, please use canola oil or rice oil. The oil something light and less flavor. And tip, please use Japanese sweet potato. I use beniharuka today. Tip, please don't fry too much. Otherwise it's too hard to eat. Until the surface gets brown color. And please quickly take out. And tip, if you don't like frying at home, please use microwave. Again, be careful not to microwave too long. Otherwise it will be less moisturous. And it will be too dry to eat. So that's the tips. And thank you for always supporting, subscribing, and like this video. And do you know I have a recipe app? It's a free app. And the recipe is called Recipe by YJC. Recipe by YJC. It's available both Android and iOS. Please search Recipe by YJC and please download it. So this Daigaku Imo recipe is also in my app. So please download and please carry, especially when you go Japanese supermarket. Please check what ingredients you have to buy. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. またね